Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline. Model S P100D completely transformed from the outside and the inside. This car came to us out of state. I think black is the best color for Model S, but we went ahead and wrapped the complete exterior body panels using not 3M vinyl wrap film, but actually something even better. Xpel Stealth Series paint protection film. This film does two things for us. Number one, it protects the paint underneath from rock chips, road rash, bad weather conditions, sometimes even door dings. But because it's part of the Stealth series, it also changes the color. All the creases, all the design lines, all the elements of the car I think are so much more pronounced now. Next, chrome delete. All the chrome's gotta go. And this time we use 3M gloss black film to go ahead and wrap all of it around the windows, underneath the side mirrors, the door handles, give it a little bit of a contrast. We also painted the front and rear Tesla T emblems in red. Very sporty, ties it in with the red brake calipers that are on the performance car. The wheels, this is our best-selling wheel. Model is called the TS115. Ultra lightweight, 30% lighter than the factory 21-inch wheels. And guess what? That reduction in unsprung weight really helps with range and performance. Make your car battery last longer and make it go faster. We love that, right? So finished in gloss black to tie in with the chrome delete and create a little bit more of a contrast. The exterior of this car is absolutely stunning. But we did not stop there. Let's go on to the inside of the car and let me show you what we did. So welcome to the inside of this Model S, which came to us with the standard black vegan interior. And this particular customer wanted something so much more plush, something sportier. So we went ahead and used authentic Ferrari black leather hides that we import from the tanneries to go ahead and reupholster this interior. Starting off with the dash, we combined black Alcantara suede and the Ferrari black leather to give it what Tesla used to do is a two-tone dash to match the headliner. And you'll notice that on the door inserts, we have our signature diamond quilt pattern. We also have that in the upper neck area of the seats. And that gives it a little bit of a sportier feel and also a different visual dynamic. The fascia of the seats have been perforated. Again, something that Tesla used to do. They don't do it anymore. The seat breathes better. It's a little bit cooler. So visually improved and also from comfort. We did the same thing obviously for the rear seats. And then we actually reupholstered the whole steering wheel using the same Ferrari black leather. This just feels so much better and much sportier. We went ahead and installed the Escort radar detector laser diffuser system. We call this our ticket avoidance system, and that helps you from getting tickets when you're going over the speed limit. But also we installed our audiophile sound system upgrade, and this really takes the complete audio experience to a whole new level by us replacing all the speakers. And then you also have now a subwoofer control knob right over here in the cubby hole to help control the subwoofer bass independent from the other speakers in the car. Trust me, this sound system is unreal, unlike anything you've ever heard before. So here we are in the rear hatch area of the Model S. In this cubby hole area, we actually filled it up and all the electronics are there. We're showing off the fascia of the 900 watt Alpine digital amplifier that we installed, but behind it, there's another 400 watt amplifier and also our EQ processor. On the other side, we took that cubby hole and we fabricated a proper enclosure for the Alpine shallow 10-inch subwoofer. Now you have a really proper enclosure with really good bass response, huge improvement over the factory subwoofer, and that really is the icing on the cake for any system. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't already follow our YouTube channel, please do so. Please leave some comments below. We have so many more awesome videos coming your way soon.